The transform effect is located within the distort and transform category of effects. This effect lets you transform an object in several different ways using a single interface. In fact, it is identical to the transform each dialog box that can be accessed from the object menu. The difference is the effect is added to the appearance panel and from there can be removed or edited at any time. Using this dialog box, you can scale an object either uniformly or non-uniformly, do a reflection about a specific point, create a given number of copies, move the object horizontally, vertically, and even rotate the object all within a single dialog box without moving them independently. There's also a random option that you can use to give you all sorts of results. When you're finished with all the options, click the OK button. The transform shows up within the appearance panel. And from here, you can revisit any of the options or throw away the effect altogether.